First question. What is a leaf? Ma'am, a leaf is a lateral, generally flattened green structure borne on the stem. It develops at the node and bears an axillary bud in its axil.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम समझेंगे लीफ के स्ट्रक्चर को। लीफ बेस इसे स्टेम से जोड़ता है, पेटियोल लैमिना को सनलाइट की तरफ होल्ड करता है और लैमिना ग्रीन पार्ट है जिसमें वेन्स होते हैं।
Now tell me, what is venation? The arrangement of veins and veinlets in the lamina is called venation. Correct. Two types is parallel venation, mostly monocots. A simple leaf has a single, undivided blade. In compound leaves, the blade is divided into separate leaflets. When leaves modify into sharp spines, they reduce water loss and protect from grazing animals. Examples include opuntia and berberis plants. Leaf tendrils are modified leaves. They provide support for climbing. In pea plants, leaflets become coiling tendrils. Whole leaves modify in lathyrus. Some leaves are modified to store food and water. Onions have fleshy scale leaves that store food. Aloe and agave store water to survive. These modifications are key for survival. In some plants, the petiole becomes flattened and green, while the lamina is reduced or absent. This modification, seen in acacia, helps reduce water loss. Insectivorous leaves are modified to trap and digest insects. This adaptation helps them obtain nitrogen in poor soil. Examples: Nepenthes, known as the pitcher leaf, and in onions, they are fleshy and store food, while in ginger, they are dry and protective. Take a look at the phylode. It's a modified petiole. The lamina is reduced or absent. It becomes green and flattened, like in acacia.